In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons in the footer in Shopify Sense theme. By the end, you'll have those familiar credit card and wallet badges showing in your store's footer, helping build customer trust without touching any code. We'll use the built-in settings that come with the Sense theme. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head to Online Store, then Themes. Make sure you're working on the Sense theme that's currently live on your site. If you have multiple themes, look for the one marked as your active theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor. On the left, you'll see a sidebar with sections for your storefront. Scroll down until you find the footer section and click to open it. Inside the footer settings, look for a control labeled Show Payment Icons, Payment Methods, or something similar. Different theme versions may use slightly different wording, but the option does the same thing. Toggle it on. Before you leave, click Save to apply the change. It's a small step, but it's easy to forget. Once saved, you should see the payment icons appear in your footer preview. These icons usually include the major credit cards and any other methods your store supports. Here's the important part about how those icons are chosen. Shopify automatically pulls the correct badges from your store's payment settings. If your payment gateways are set up under Settings, then Payments, the theme will fetch and display the corresponding icons for the providers you've enabled. If you don't see the icons after turning the setting on, double-check that your payment providers are active and properly connected. Stores in test mode or without active gateways may not show anything. A few quick tips while you're here. Preview your footer on both desktop and mobile using the device switcher at the top of the editor, since spacing and icon size can look a little different. The icons might appear in color or grayscale depending on the theme's design, and their order is generally controlled by Shopify and the theme, not manually adjustable. Also, the footer is a global section, so once enabled, the icons will appear wherever the footer shows across your site. If you can't find the toggle, confirm you're editing the footer section in the Active Sense theme and that your theme is up to date. There's also a search field in the theme editor where you can type footer or payment to jump straight to the relevant setting. That's it. Enable the payment icons in the footer section, save, and let Shopify handle the rest based on your payment setup.